All right, so what do you think on the first one? Which student was better at estimating? Well, can you tell by looking at the average? No, they both guessed the same average. Check out the MAD. Check out the IQR. Is bigger better or smaller better? Smaller. Lynn was better at IQR and the MAD. So Lynn is the better one. Remember, lowest numbers mean less variable. Bigger numbers, more varied. So if you want to know who picked the biggest range, you'd say Claire. In this case, so it's Lynn. Smallest IQR and MAD, which help determine how spread out their data is. Yes?
Well, it says like all 8 objects were 2,000 grams. So their median is wrong.
Yeah, median is, but this will tell us how accurate all the data was. So they must have estimated all 8 objects. So Claire was actually further off with the guesses. Especially when the MAD and IQ are both smaller, we got to use that. Good point, though. How about 2? What do you think on that one, Timothy?
1.1.
I think A, huh?
Yeah.
Did you actually figure it out? What was the average?
5.5.
Remember, to get MAD, then you determine how far each one of these is away from 5.5. Add them up and divide by how many data points we have. 1.1 is correct. Makes sense because our data is all pretty good there. Closer the data is, the smaller the number. More spread out the data is, the bigger the number. Again, that's determining MAD. Georgia, what do you think on 3? Least variable to the greatest. So again, we're concentrating on the box size first. The IQR would be the box. Not whiskers yet.
Okay.
Box first. Tiebreakers like the whiskers. C first. A. B. And D. So the length of the box goes first. Whiskers, again, are the tiebreaker. If the box is close or tied, then you can look at the whiskers as well. Because all this means is all the data is right here except a couple. Question 4. Select all the distributions for which the median could be much less than the mean. Go ahead, Georgia. D and E is correct. Remember the book called Skewed Right? That means the data is shifted left for us. So that would be as well. Cannot be symmetric or anything symmetric. These two are obviously out. So then you had to determine based on the other 3. Question 5. What is a 5-number summary? Again, that is min. Q1, median, Q3, max. Bless you. Who's got the min?
0.
Q1, median, Q3, max. So median and Q3 are the same, that's fine. Not even on the screen there, there we go. How about if we take off 0? What is the min now? What is Q1 now? Median. Still 5. Q3? Max is still 11. Again, anytime it says 5-number summary, that is what it's referring to. Question 6, if you eliminate the high value of 180, what does it do to the median and mean? So if I take 180 off, what do you think that's going to do to the average? Yeah, it'll lower quite a bit. At the beginning, the median was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The median was right between those two numbers. If I take 180 off, 70 will now be the median, so that goes down as well. And you could do exact, figure out exactly how far it goes down. I don't think it's asking us that. And the last one. Which interval contains the median? Well, let's check it. How many students in the first group? 22. It says I have 50, so I'm looking for where the 25th number would be. How many in the next group? 5. What's 22 plus 5? So the 25th number is going to be in that group somewhere. So your answer would have to be B.